What are you guys doing? Monkey. What? Oh, God. Hey, what are y'all doing? No, don't give me that. Come on. Come on, it's time to go. It's time to go. That's better. Oh, man. Hey, everyone. Welcome to the Discipleship. I am Captain Mike. Yes, and I am a bit of a sleepyhead. Sorry, it's been kind of an action-packed week here at the church. We're very excited about all that God has going on. And I know some of you are wondering, okay, why am I not upstairs? I'm in the older classes. I'm 2nd to 5th grade. Why aren't I upstairs? Well, we still have construction going on. And so you got to be mindful of that. In fact, our monkeys took a little tour of the facility to help you get a picture of what's going on. Would you guys like to see that? That's what I thought. So with that said, let's go ahead and check out this footage. You ready? Here it is. Well done, monkeys. Well done. As you see, there's a lot going on, and you guys can be part of it as well. As I mentioned before, be patient with us. Be patient with what has to happen in order for us to have these classrooms. Also pray. Pray is a big one because God wants us to lift each other up in prayer. There's a lot of things to be done, and so be prayer for Pastor David and Pastor D.A., Pastor Jim, as well as just all the guys who are working, getting their hands dirty, helping build. So be in prayer for those, and get excited because it's going to be an awesome help here in children's ministry. New classrooms, new areas where we can worship, all sorts of great things coming. So with that said, I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited too. I'm also excited about this upcoming skit video. So no monkeys are around, no more craziness. It's skit time.